Here we come to the lift at Ballymena train station. These are ThyseenKrupp MRLs. Oh, they replaced the voice.
Going up. Door closing.
This one's pretty dark. The capacity is 630 kilograms, 8 persons, installed 2008.
First floor.
Oh,
Door opening.
I'm going to show you this, John. There's the other one over there. Back down 0, which is a star button. Stands for 0. It's a car view. It's pretty basic. ThyseenKrupp MRL.
Ground floor.
Makes a turn.
Door opening.
Let's send it up so we can hear the alarm. Okay, here it is. This one's on 0 too. This is another ThyseenKrupp MRL. Oh, this one has a voice too.
Going up. Door closing.
Capacity is the same, 630 kilograms, 8
Floor.
persons, installed 2008.
Door opening.
Oh, here's a wee view.
Door closing.
Back down.
Opening. Going down. Door closing.
I like these elevators. Listen.
Ground floor. Door opening.
Just watch it go.
Door closing.
There it goes, and